So guys, TikTok. We got Martlebury River rafting. We're gonna try and see if we can go down the stream. You know, that's the river. There we go. This is for TikTok, YouTube short. There's not much. Yeah. Oh, I think you leave from there. Yeah. Okay. Where do we buy the ticket, sir?
Down there, right at that green building there, you see that window there?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. TikTok, so we're in Falmouth, Martlebury, Falmouth. It's Trelawney anyway, that's what I know. This is the Martlebury River and the famous bamboo rafting downstream. If you look through there, you'll manage to see a few bamboo rafting. Oh, let's walk to one side. You can come up. So there we go, guys. So we got